Hello friends, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove big things of image in Photoshop. So without wasting of time, let's get started. So on this image we are working, you can download this image for your practice. The links are in description. So first of all, we need to select the things. Okay, you know my point of view. We are going to remove these things and this in this image. First of all, select the lasso tool and select all the areas which do you want. Okay, start selecting the object which we're gonna remove. Follow these steps. I make a mistake here. I need to select the straight line, but I make a random. You say random line, but how do we undo our back? No need of press Ctrl Z. Simply press the backspace and look. Okay, done. Now start. Okay, this area we are selected. Now we need to select this area. So we start there. Okay, we have selected the object which we wanna remove. So now we go to edit, fill and contact aware and press OK. Now this is the magic. The Photoshop will automatically fill the areas. Look how like this. Great work of Photoshop. But he did a mistake there. Now how we do remove this thing and solve these problems like this? So simply clone stamp tool. Okay, you see it's working totally. You take your time and do as good as you can do and send and post the image on your work on Instagram hashtag JA Maker, and I go and watch all the images. Okay, so I saw you complete before and after. So this is the before and this is the after. You look how easy we remove the objects in images with the help of contact aware and healing brush tool and simply clone stamp tool. So I am going to explain these steps again. So first of all, you need to make a copy by pressing Ctrl J of the background image, and then you need to select the lasso tool, and then you need to select the object on which you want to remove, and then simply contact aware fill and making some adjustment. You look like how with the help of clone stamp tool and a healing spot healing tool. So there, my friends, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon to like my video, share my video. Allah Hafiz.